Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Here is my second video for the week at Walgreens. So what that means is there were so many amazing deals. They wouldn't all fit on my table, so I actually did two separate videos. My first video is already posted, so definitely check that out. I talk with you about a ton of great deals going on over at Walgreens. In this video, I'm going to talk with you about clearly some amazing laundry deals that you can do this week. Now, listen here, because I get this question a lot. This is an in-store only deal. That means you physically have to walk into the store, pick up the products, and go to the register to purchase them. All right, I'm going to tell you two different deals you can do on Tide that are amazing. Both of these deals are good through June 30th because there are two overlapping promotions. These products that you see right here, you can mix and match them. They are 4 for $9. That makes them $2.25 each, okay? They are also on promotion for spend 15, get $5 in register rewards. So I grabbed 7 of the products, okay? I mix and matched with Tide, Simply, and the Downy. Any of the 4 for $9 products you can do. I believe there's Bounce in there as well. Now, when you pick up 7 of them, that gets your total to $15.75. We have to be at $15 for that $5 register reward to print out. So I paid $15.75. I used Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and I got a $5 register reward. That makes all of these items you see here $10.75 or just $1.53 each. Now you would want to do this in one transaction, not with these over here, okay? So that is one way you can do this deal. Mix and match the 4 for $9, spend at least $15, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. That didn't use any coupons, okay? Now let's talk about this Tide deal. Okay, these are $5.49 each. They are on promotion this week for buy 4, get $6 in register rewards. But they are also on promotion until June 30th for spend 15, get $5 in register rewards back. So I bought 4 of them at $5.49. I had a $1 digital coupon. That's the only coupon I used. Okay, so I paid $20.96 at the register. I used Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I got back a $5 register reward for spending 15, and I got back a $6 register reward for buying 4. That means I got $11 total back, making my final cost $9.96 for all 4 of them, or $2.49 each. Now, a couple of things. If you have coupons at home, you can definitely use them. Check out the PG Good Everyday site. They may have printable coupons that you can use. I was just trying to keep it simple. I just used that $1 digital coupon. Also, make sure you submit your receipt to pggoodeveryday.com because all of these products are Procter & Gamble products, and you'll get 50 points for each item, and then you can use those points to cash out to different things. So definitely check out that program if you haven't already. Can you use Walgreens cash to pay for this? Absolutely. You'll still get that register reward back. Now, if you want to combine it into a spend deal, you can do that. Like if you have a spend booster, you could do that as well. But then you want to be careful about using your Walgreens cash to pay. Now, if you guys have questions on this, don't hesitate to drop them down below. But this is in-store only. You cannot place it curbside. Don't do it online. Do this in-store. Can you mix and match these products? Yes, absolutely you can. I'm going through my head of all the questions that people have asked me since I posted this reel to Instagram. Also, in my first video, I completely forgot to put the clearance pictures at the end of the video, so those clearance pictures will be at the end of this video. I also wanted to remind you all that I have created a number of different tutorials on how to coupon at Walgreens because I know it can be a lot to learn and a lot to digest. So I literally walk you through a step by step, like if you're a complete beginner, how to get a Walgreens account, how to find your digital coupons, the difference between store and manufacturer coupons. I have an entire video on register rewards. I have an entire video on Walgreens Cash. I have an entire video on how to use Walgreens Cash on a spend deal. So if you have questions about any of those topics, definitely check out those tutorials that I've created. I always have them linked in the video description box. I will also pin them as a comment, trying to make it easier for you guys to find them. But I took a lot of time, like trying to sit down and think through the questions that people were most likely to have and answer those questions for you. So definitely check out those tutorials if you're new or if you just want a little refresher on how to coupon successfully at Walgreens.